Let us do question number 9 of exercise 5C of chapter 5. Question number 9 is like this: 3x square minus 17x plus 25 equal to 0. Just we write down the standard form of equation just below it: ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now compare the coefficient. A is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 17, c is equal to 25. Now substitute the value of x. To work out the value of x, we substitute the value of a, b, c at appropriate place. That is minus in bracket minus 17, that is minus b here, plus minus root b square in plus b square की जगह पर हमने क्या लिखा है minus 17 का whole square, minus 4ac 4 into 3 into 25 whole divided by 2a 2 into 3. Here a is equal to 3, so I have written here 3, 2 into 3. So solve it. 17 plus minus 289 minus 300 whole divided by 6. If further solve it, you will get x is equal to 17 plus minus root minus 11 by 6. This will be the answer for question number 9. Now question number 10, that is 15x square minus 28 equal to x. This can be converted like this by transposing 15x square minus x minus 28 equal to 0. Here a is equal to 15, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to minus 28. Now to find the value of x, we just substitute the value of b, a and c. You see minus b, I have written minus in bracket minus 1, plus minus in bracket I have written minus 1 का whole square, minus 4 into 15 into minus 28 whole divided by 2 into 15. This will be equal to 1 plus minus root 1 plus 1680 whole divided by 30. It will be again 1 plus minus root 1681. Find out the square root of 1681, it will be equal to 41. So x will be equal to 1 plus minus 41 divided by 30. In first case, we will just take the positive sign. That will be 41 plus 1, that will be 42. 42 divided by 30. And in the second case, that is minus 40. Minus 40 divided by 30. You solve it further. In the simplest form, it will be equal to 7 by 5. And for this, it will be equal to minus 4 by 3. So the value of x will be 1 and 2 by 5 and minus 1 and 1 by 3. This will be the two solutions for the question number 10. Now question number 11. X square minus 3x minus 3 equal to 0. Here it is given that giving your answer to the two decimal places. Let us take the value of a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3, c is equal to minus 3. Now substitute these values to work out the value of x. That will be minus 3 plus minus in square root 3 का whole square minus 4 into 1 into minus 3. So this minus and this minus will become plus here. So x will be equal to minus 3 plus minus root 9 plus 12 whole divided by 2. We further solve it. Minus 3 plus minus root 21. You see, we find out the square root of 21. It is written here minus 3 plus minus 4.58 divided by 2. So the x will be equal to minus 3 plus 4.58 divided by 2, and in one case it will be 1.58 divided by 2. Ultimately the answer will be 0.79. This is the first answer. And for the second, x will be equal to minus 3 minus 4.58 divided by 2. That will be equal to minus 7.58 divided by 2. It will be equal to minus 3.79. This will be the second answer for question number 11. Now question number 12. 2 by 3x equal to minus 1 by 6x square minus 1 by 3. Here it is mentioned that giving your answer to two decimal places. To solve it, first of all, what we do, that multiplying by 6 both sides and transposing to the left hand side, we get x square plus 4x plus 2 equal to 0. So you just substitute the value to work out the value of x. Minus 4 plus minus root 4 square minus 4 into 1 into 2 whole divided by 2 into 1. X will be equal to minus 4 plus minus root 16 minus 8 by 2. It will be equal to again minus 4 plus minus root 8 by 2. This 8 can be further written like this, minus 4 plus minus root 4 into 2 whole divided by 2. Now we can take out the square root of 4. So it will be minus 4 plus minus 2 root 2 divided by 2. So the x will be equal to minus 2 plus minus root 2. We just substitute the value of root 2 minus 2 plus 1.414 and minus 2 minus 1.414. See, first the x will be equal to minus 0.586. That will be approximately minus 0.59. And second value, that will be equal to minus 3.414 upon, that will be further reduced to the second place of the decimal, that will be minus 3.41. These will be the two answers for the question number 12. Let us go to the question number 13. Here you see x square plus 6x minus 10 equal to 0. So the x will be equal to minus 6 plus minus root 6 square minus 4 into 1. In bracket I have written minus 10 upon 2 into 1. It will be equal to minus 6 plus minus root 36 plus 40 by 2. Now x will be equal to minus 6 plus minus root 76 divided by 2. It will be equal to minus 6 plus minus root 4 into 90. You see 76 I have just mentioned in the product form, that is 4 into 19 whole divided by 2. You take out the square root of 4, that will be the 2 here, and minus 6. So further just divide it. X will be equal to minus 6 upon 2 plus minus 2 by 2 root 19. It will be minus 3 plus minus root 19, and this will be the answer. I have just taken out the square root of this 19. If you need in the form of decimal, the answer will be like this. Now question number 14. x square plus 8 upon 11 equal to 5x minus x square minus 5. This can be further solved like this. X square plus 8 will be equal to 55x minus 11x square minus 55. So it can be curtailed or limited to 12x square minus 55x plus 63 equal to 0. So x will be equal to minus, inside the bracket you write down minus 55 plus minus root minus 55 whole square minus 4 into 12 into 63 whole divided by 2 into 12. Therefore, the x will be equal to 55 plus minus root 3025 minus 3024. You just subtract it, we will get 1 by 24. So you see the 55 plus minus 1 by 24. So 56 divided by 24 will be equal to 7 by 3, and 55 minus 1, that will be 54. 54 divided by 24, it will be equal to 9 by 4. If further solve it, x will be equal to 7 by 3 and 9 by 4. That can be, these two roots can be also written like this: 2 and 1 by 3 and 2 and 1 by 4. These are the two roots of the question number 14. Now question number 15. You see, y is equal to y minus 3 by y equal to 1 by 2. Multiplying by 2y both sides and transposing to the left hand side, we get 2y square minus y minus 6 is equal to 0. Now here y will be equal to minus, inside the bracket write down minus 1 plus minus root minus 1 whole square minus 4 into 2 into minus 6 whole divided by 2 into 2. This will be equal to 1 plus minus root 1 plus 48 whole divided by 4. If you just add 48 plus 1, this will be equal to 49. So 1 plus root plus minus root 49. It will be equal to y is equal to 1 plus minus 7 by 4. So in one case it will be equal to 8 by 4, and in the second case it will be minus 6 by 4. So the 8 by 4 will be again solved, 8, 2, and minus 6 by 4 will be minus 3 by 2. So which can be further written like this: minus 1 and 1 by 2. So these will be the two answers, 2 and minus 1 and 1 by 2. These are the two answers of the question number 15. Question number 16. You see, 2x plus 4 by x is equal to 9. Here we multiply both sides by x and transposing to the left hand side, we get 2x square minus 9x plus 4 equal to 0. So x will be equal to minus, inside the bracket write down minus 9 plus minus root minus 9 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 4 whole divided by 2 into 2. This can be again solved. This will become plus 9 plus minus root 81 minus 32 whole divided by 4. So 9 plus minus root 49 divided by 4. So x will be equal to 9 plus minus 7 by 4. That will be equal to, again solved, x will be equal to 9 plus 7 by 4. This will be equal to 16 by 4, and again it will be equal to 4. And while we take the minus sign, So 9 minus 7 by 4, it will be 2 by 4 and it will be solved to 1 by 2. So these are the 4 and 1 by 2 are the two answers of the question number 16. Now question number 17. X upon x plus 1 plus x plus 1 upon x equal to 34 by 15. Here we put y is equal to x upon x plus 1. So the 1 upon y will be equal to x plus 1 upon x. So this complete equation will be like this: y plus 1 upon y minus 34 by 15, that will equal to 0. Now multiplying both sides by 15y, we get 15y square minus 34y plus 15 equal to 0. Y will be equal to minus, inside the bracket you write down minus 34 plus minus root minus 34 whole square minus 4 into 15 whole divided by 2 into 15. It will be equal to 34 plus minus root 1156 minus 900 whole divided by 30. It will be equal to, y will be equal to 34 plus minus root 256 divided by 30. It will be equal to 34 plus minus 16 divided by 30. That will be equal to y 50 divided by 30 and y will be equal to 18 divided by 30. That can be further solved. It will become 5 by 3 and it will be 3 by 5. Now replace y by x plus 1, x by x plus 1 to x plus 1, x upon x plus 1 will be equal to 5 by 3 and x upon x plus 1 equal to 3 by 5. You see, in the one case it will be 5x plus 5 equal to 3x. If further solve it, 2x is equal to minus 5, x will be equal to minus 5 by 2. In the second case, x upon x plus 1 is equal to 3 by 5. So just cross multiply it, we get 5x equal to 3x plus 3. So 2x will be equal to 3. So x will be equal to 3 by 2. These are the two answers of the question number 17. Now question number 18. 2x upon x minus 4 plus 2x minus 5 whole upon x minus 3 equal to 8 and 1 by 3. You take the LCM, so it will be LCM will be equal to x minus 4 into x minus 3. Just in the numerator part multiply 2x into x minus 3 plus 2x minus 5 into x minus 4 will be equal to 25 by 3. Just solve it further. It will be equal to 2x square minus 6x plus 2x square minus 13x plus 20 whole divided by x square minus 7x plus 12. It will be equal to 25 by 3. Now, by cross multiply, we can get 3 in bracket 4x square minus 19x plus 20 bracket closed will be equal to 25. In bracket write down x square minus 7x plus 12 bracket closed. You solve it, you will get 13x square minus 118x plus 240 equal to 0. You solve these two by bringing x square and x closer to each other. So now you come x will be equal to minus 118 means 118 plus minus root 100 minus 118 whole square minus 4 into 13 into 240 whole divided by 2 into 13. that will be equal to 118 plus minus root 13,924 minus 12,480 whole divided by 26. Now here again x will be equal to 118 plus minus root 1444 whole divided by 26. It will be equal to 118 plus minus root 4 into 19 into 19. This 1444 can be written like this: 4 into 19 whole divided by 26. It will be equal to 118 plus minus 2 into 19. After taking the square root, we will get 2 into 19 whole divided by 26. Now the value of x will be 2 into 59 plus minus 2 into 19. I have written 118 in the form of 2 into 59. So taking out 2 common, you see this 2 and denominator 2 will be cancelled. So we will get 59 plus minus 19 divided by 13. That will be equal to 78 divided by 13, and when you take the negative sign, it will be equal to 40 divided by 13. So x will be equal to 6 and x will be equal to 3 and 1 by 13. These are the two answers of the question number 19. Now let us proceed to the question number 19. X plus 6 upon x plus 7 minus x plus 1 upon x plus 2 is equal to 1 upon 3x plus 1. You see, I have transposed this x plus 1 upon x plus 2 to the right hand side. So x plus 6 will be equal to x plus 6 upon x plus 7 will be equal to 1 upon 3x plus 1 plus x plus 1 upon x plus 2. Now we solve it the right hand side. That will be equal to x plus 2 plus 3x plus 1 into x plus 1 whole divided by 3x plus 1 into x plus 2. Further solve it, it will be equal to x plus 2 plus 3x square plus 4x plus 1 whole divided by 3x square plus 7x plus 2. Now by dividendo, we can write x plus 6 by x plus 7, 3x square plus 5x plus 3 equal to 3x square plus 7x plus 2. This portion can be further reduced with the help of dividendo. If you don't know the dividendo, I can explain separately like this. You see, if A is to B and C is to D, then A minus B is to B and C minus D is to D. This can be further solved like this: A by B is equal to C by D. So in both sides we have subtracted minus 1, minus 1. We solve it: A minus B by B is equal to C minus D by D. This process is known as dividendo, which we will learn in ratio and proportion. Now here you see, this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. So with the help of dividendo, I have written x plus 6 minus x minus 7 upon x plus 7. That will be equal to, again, 3x square plus 5x plus 3 minus 3x square minus 7x minus 2 whole divided by 3x square plus 7x plus 2. This can be reduced to 1 minus 2x, and the denominator will remain same: 3x square plus 7x plus 2 Now the left side portion will be equal to 6 minus 7, that is equal to minus 1. Sorry. So minus 1 divided by x plus 7, this will be equal to minus 1 minus 2x whole upon 3x square plus 7x plus 2. You see here, if we just multiply minus 1 this side, minus 1 this side, this will become plus. So 1 upon x plus 7, and this will be written like this. When we multiply, this will become plus. So I have written here 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1 whole divided by 3x square plus 7x plus 2. Now cross multiply it. We will get 3x square plus 7x plus 2. This will be multiplied to 1. And x plus 7 will be multiplied to 2x minus 1. We will get 2x square minus x plus 14x minus 7. If further solving, we will get x square minus 6x plus 9 equal to 0. This will be the standard form of the quadratic equation. So x will be equal to minus 6 plus minus root minus 6 whole square minus 4 into 9 into 1 whole divided by 2 into 1. Further solve it. 6 plus minus root 36 minus 36. So you see the discriminant will become 0. We will be left with the 6 by 2. So answer in both the cases, it will be equal to 3. The roots will be equal because the discriminant is equal to 0. Now question number 20. You see, we are having the question like this: x plus 1 upon 2x plus 5 equal to x plus 3 upon 3x plus 4. This can be written like this. You can just interchange the place of these two. So x plus 1 whole divided by x plus 3 means x plus 3 has come here. So x plus 1 upon x plus 3 will be equal to 2x plus 5 whole divided by 3x plus 4. This is known as by alternando. The alternando, which I can express like this: if a and b equal to c by d, so what you do that in both sides you multiply b by c. See, a by b into b by c is equal to c by d into b by c will be equal to a by c, that will become b by d. This process is known as, or this method is known as alternando. You see, the middle part has changed its place, interchanged its places. A is to B. So now it has become A is to C and B is to D. So by alternando, I have just brought it like this here. I have written here. Now by dividendo again. You see, x, here is x, here is x. That is why I have used the alternando in order to bring the x. So now by dividendo, x plus 1 minus x minus 3 whole divided by x plus 3. 2x plus 5 minus the denominator, you see, minus 3x minus 4 whole divided by 3x plus 4. Now, after solving, we will get minus 2 upon x plus 3 is equal to minus x plus 1 upon 3x plus 4. If we just multiply minus to the numerator this side and this minus 1 to this numerator of this part, it will be equal to 2 upon x plus 3 and x minus 1 upon 3x plus 4 by cross multiplication. We get now x square minus x plus 3x minus 3 equal to 6x plus 8. It will be again solved: x square minus 4x minus 11 equal to 0. This is the standard form of the quadratic equation. Now x will be equal to minus, inside the bracket you write down minus 4 plus minus root minus 4 whole square minus 4 into 1 into minus 11 whole divided by 2 into 1. You see, after solving it, 4 plus minus root 16 plus 44. It will be equal to, x will be equal to 4 plus minus root 60 by 2. So that 60 can be written like this, 15 into 4, and 4 after taking the square root of 4 I have written 2 here. So 4 plus minus 2 root 15 by 2. So after cancelling 2 to the 4, so I have written 2 here and 2 cancel. Now we are left with 2 plus minus root 15. This will be the answer of the question number 20. Now in 21, there are 3 parts. In the first part, a square x square minus 3abx plus 2b square. Here the x will be equal to minus, inside the bracket you write down minus 3ab plus minus root minus 3ab का whole square minus 4 into a square into 2b square whole divided by 2a square. Now just when we multiply minus minus it will become plus. So x will be equal to 3ab plus minus root 9a square b square minus 8a square b square by 2a square. You just subtract 9a square b square minus 8a square b square, will get a square b square only. So I have written here 3ab plus minus root a square b square, take the square root of it. It will be equal to 3ab plus minus ab whole divided by 2a square. So 3ab plus ab whole divided by 2a square and 3ab minus ab will be upon 2a square. In one case, your answer 4ab whole divided by 2a square. So 4 and 4 will be cancelled by 2. So it will become 2. A will be cancel the square of the a of the denominator part. So it will become 2b upon a. In the second case, it will be 2ab whole divided by 2a square. So 2 and 2 will be cancelled. A will cancel the square part of it. So upon we will get b upon a. These are the two answers of the first part of the question number 21. Now second part of the question number 21. You see, x square minus x minus a inside the bracket a plus 1 equal to 0. Now this term is free from a, that is why it will be constant. So x will be equal to minus, inside the bracket minus 1 plus minus root minus 1 का whole square minus 4 into 1, inside the bracket I have written minus a, inside the bracket again a plus 1 bracket closed whole divided by 2 into 1. So you just solve it, it will become x will be equal to 1 plus minus root 1 plus 4a, inside the bracket write down a plus 1 whole divided by 2. Now after opening this bracket we will get 1 plus minus root 4a square plus 4a plus 1 by 2. This is the standard form of the formula a plus b का whole square. X will be equal to 1 plus minus root 2a का whole square plus 2 into 2a into 1 plus 1 square whole divided by 2. So it will be equal to 1 plus minus root 2a plus 1 whole square. This square will be cancelled by the square root. Now we will get x is equal to 1 plus minus 2a plus 1 whole divided by 2. So in one case it will be 2a plus 2 whole divided by 2, it will be a plus 1. This will be the one answer. In the second case, when we will take the minus sign, 1 minus 2a minus 1. So the 1 and minus 1 will be cancelled. Whole divided by 2, that is minus 2 upon 2. This will be equal to minus a. This is the answer of the second part of the question number 21. Now the third part of the question number 21, that is 10x square plus 3bx plus a square minus 7ax minus b square. You see 10x square as it is plus 3b minus 7a will be put inside the bracket, and outside we will take the x as a common of this, and plus a square minus b square. This will become as a constant term. This will be the coefficient of x, and this will be the coefficient of x square. Now x will be equal to minus inside the bracket 3b minus 7a plus minus root 3b minus 7a whole square minus 4 into 10 into a square minus b square whole divided by 2 into 10. This will be equal to x will be equal to 7a minus 3b bracket closed plus minus root 9b square plus 49a square minus 42ab minus 40a square plus 40b square whole divided by 20. Now again solve. X will be equal to 7a minus 3b plus minus root 9a square plus 49b square minus 42ab whole divided by 20. Now x will be equal to 7a minus 3b plus minus. You see this part can be written like this again. It will be reduced into a minus b formula. The root of 3a minus 7b whole square whole divided by 20. So taking the square root of this, it will be 2 will be removed, the square will be removed. So 7a minus 3b plus minus 3a minus 7b whole divided by 20. So x will be equal to, in one case, 7a minus 3b plus 3a minus 7b by 20. We solve it. That will be the 10a minus 10b by 20. It will be equal to a minus b by 2. In the second case, 7a minus 3b minus 3a plus 7b whole divided by 20. It will be equal to 4a plus 4b whole divided by 20. I have taken 4 common in the numerator part, and 4 will cancel the 20. So there will be 5 only in the denominator part. So a plus b by 5. This will be the second answer of the question number 21, third part. That's all.